Hello, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna open the Pokemon TCG Black and White file set. This one currently around 89 USD, so I got it around 1,200 NTD. So let's see what do we got. Currently, it already stopped reprinted, so right now it's kind of rare to find it. The case card in this set is, of course, is Red Charm and the Circum, also with the 15E. You guys knows that actually I prefer the file set compared to the EDB box because the file set gives you a file. So it looks very nice, it looks very limited and customized for the whole set. So you can put your card there, but of course cannot fit the top loaders. But anyway, it's pretty cool to have that team file set. And here we go. We have the 15 promo cards, Japanese. I think this card will be one of the J's promo cards for this set because 15 this card is already an AR and it looks very nice, and 15 is some characters that a lot of people like it, so it's worth to collect. I haven't seen most people trading this card on the markets, so I think it's gonna lay low for a while, but let's hope it's gonna rise up. And here we have 3 packs of Black Bolt and White Flares from Japanese. Actually, you know what? The loose pack in the file set usually is have the random ratios. It's unlike to the box, the booster box or bundle box. Anyway, let's see what do we have on our first pack. Oh, I saw something shiny out there. We have the Holo Bonds. Oh, it's just a pair. Not bad, not bad. Oh wow, we have the Michino from Ayako Osaki and Holo Bonds Liquid and Holo Foil 15. You know, the Michino from Ayako Osaki, it looks like it's connected to her previous artworks, but I check again and it doesn't. We have Conquer the Holobonds, and we have Hazardous Holo. It's quite interesting that each pack I opened so far, each of them contains 1 Holobonds for the cards. And now it's time for the White Flare pack. Let's see what do we get. We get me and 4 Holobonds. And I saw some Holo, or we got another Shark Road Holos. So this pack also contains 1 Holo bonds for each card, similar to the Black Bolt. Drugdegon Holobones, got Asilgar Holobones, and we got Kaledale EX, and I think that's it. So that is our last pack among 6 packs from the file sets. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you guys next video. Bye bye.